What's up YouTube and welcome to this video. So the video is about how can we decompile a DLL file like this, see its code, edit its code and repack it back to the DLL. So we can use ILSpy, which is a great software and very updated. So going to its releases, it supports .NET 10, which is the latest version of the .NET currently. So you need this installer x64 MSI. So it's downloaded. Now we have to install it. So it's a small piece of software, but it works. But it's a genuine one. So we will search for ILSpy and we have the interface. So we can either click file open or drag and drop our DLL. So here is the entire DLL, the namespace and the class inside it, also the methods. So we can right click and export to project or solution. Let's give it an output directory. So desktop, new folder, export. Here is our project. Now what we have to do is we have to create a console app. I calculator and we will move the project inside beside the solution and then we will add it as an existing project. So the CS project file and it's added. Now if I want to edit the code, I can do it like this. So we can add another method for multiplication and then if we need to build the new DLL, we can build the project. So after building the I calculate project, open in File Explorer. You can see there is a bin debug and here we have the new I calculator DLL. You don't need these other files. Or if you want to use it directly, you can come to the new application, namespace, and inside it we can use the class, but we also have to add it as a project reference. So I calculator reference, then add the reference using the using keyword I calculator. Now we can use the class inside it. So calculator cal equals to new. This should be static void main for it to work automatically. Now we can use the calculator class. Let's define the object inside it, otherwise I won't be able to use it. Dot multiplication, our new method, and let's give it 2 and 20. So we can see the result. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.